Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about two-way tables. So let's get right to it. A two-way table shows data that pertains to two different categories. We have an example here we're going to go through. So Felipe surveyed some of the students at school. He found that 78 students own a cell phone. 57 of those students also own an MP3 player. There are 13 students that do not own a cell phone, but own an MP3 player. 9 students do not own either device. Construct a two-way table summarizing Felipe's data. Okay, so let's look at this. So these can be quite confusing if we're not familiar with them. So let's start with what we have. We found that 78 students own a cell phone. Okay, so 78 total. It's going to go here. Okay, and we know that 57 of those students own MP3 players, so this would be 57 because this is cell phone, right? And this is how many of them own an MP3 player. So we don't know how many don't, but we can easily figure that out, which we'll show you in a moment. There are 13 students that do not own a cell phone. But, sorry, one second. We're told that there are 13 students that do not own a cell phone, but do own an MP3 player, and 9 students don't own either. Okay, so no cell phone, but they do own an MP3 player. That's going to be 13 goes here. And then 9 students do not own either, so no cell phone, no MP3 player, so 9 is going to go here. Construct a two-way table. So now we have to figure out the rest of these unknowns. So let's go to this one first. So this is the total, so we simply just add those together. So that's going to be 22. Here we know that this plus this equals the total, so we can just solve this algebraically. So 57 plus x equals 78. And we can subtract 57 from both sides. And that should give us x equals 21. Use a different color for the ones we don't know yet. Oh, this should have been 22. 22. This is 21. And then we can just add these together, find these. So carry the one, so this would be 70. And this is 30. So there's 100 total students, which checks out because look, 70 plus 30 is 100. 78 plus 22 is 100. Okay? All right, let's try the practice down here. There are 150 children at summer camp, and 71 signed up for swimming. There were a total of 62 children that signed up for canoeing, and 28 of them also signed up for swimming. Construct a two-way table. Okay, so I'm not going to do all of this. I want you to be able to try this on your own, so I'll set it up and you can finish it. Swimming. Okay. So let's see here. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to have swimming up here. And this is going to be not swimming. This is going to be canoeing. Not canoeing. This will be total. Yeah, there we go. So, and this will be total as well. So let's see what they give us. They give us swimming is right here. So we know the total for swimming is going to be 71. We know the total is 150. Okay, that's the total number of kids and children. There were 62 that signed up for canoeing. All right, so 62 children total for canoeing, and 20 of them also did swimming. So now we would have to fill out the rest of this. Okay. All right, I'm not going to do any more of this, so I want you to try to finish this on your own, and we'll go over this in class. All right, guys, hopefully that was helpful. Thanks.